Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So this video is for all the students who are preparing for September 2024 attempt. Sir, क्या video है? Please watch the video till the end because whatever I'm going to tell you in this video that might be really relevant for you or your friends also, right? And if it is relevant, please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Now, what this video is all about? After the May 2024 results, there is one very common question that is coming across from the students. Sir, बहुत ही common question एक students पूछ रहे हैं, वो क्या है? A student appeared for Group 1 in May 2024 attempt, but unfortunately could not clear the Group 1. In the meantime, students started for the preparation of Group 2. Now there is a big question mark. The question mark in the mind of student is that, sir, in September 2024, the time is less. There are only 2 months, less than 2 months left for September. Should I go for both the groups? Should I skip September 2024 attempt and appear for both groups in January 25 attempt? Or should I repeat only Group 1 in September 2024? If these are the questions that are there in your mind, please let me know in the comment section and please watch this video till the end. I'll give you a very simple solution, very logical and very simple solution. You started with the Group 2 preparations. Yes sir, we started with the Group 2 preparations. How much of it is done? You need to analyze this, that how much of the Group 2 preparation you have done. If you are already done with 60 to 70% of the Group 2 preparation and you are expecting to complete that preparation by 10th of August 2024, then go for both the groups in September 24 because you have time for the Group 1 revision. Ultimately, Group 1 you have already studied once. Now it's time for only the revision of the Group 1 subjects, right? And the number of subjects is less than before. And you are already done with the Group 2. You will be left with 1 month for the revision. Then my recommendation is go for both the groups. Try both the groups in September 2024. You must go for. You can appear in September 2004 and you can clear the groups. Believe in yourself. I believe in you guys. You believe in yourself. You can definitely clear it. But if the preparation is less than 60 to 70%, then I will not recommend you going for Group 2. Then you can go for two options. One, either go for just Group 1 in September 2024 and Group 2 in January 25. Or if you want to appear for both the groups simultaneously, then go for January 25 attempt. That's a very simple solution. So you need to identify that how much of the Group 2 preparation is done. That's really important, right? If it is less than 60 to 70%, take it 70% at least, right? If it is less than that, then don't go for both the groups in September 24. See, we have to be practical. We have to be logical. We have to be realistic here when we are preparing, right? सर ये ना हो कि Group 2 और या both groups के चक्कर में हम एक group से भी हाथ धो बैठे. नहीं सर. We have to be logical. We have to be realistic. So this is a very realistic solution according to me, right? That you can go for. And Group 2, if you are preparing for, then costing and FMSM, I am there for both the subjects. You can join our batches. YouTube lectures are also there, handbooks are also there, and the regular batches are also there for costing as well as FMSM. That will definitely help you in the preparation and in the next 1.5 months. Even if you start now with the preparations for September 2024 Group 2, at least costing and FMSM, I can say the complete recorded batch is available. Join right now and you can cover each and everything in the next 1.5 months. That's my commitment and my support will always be there with you guys for any attempt, whatever the attempt you are preparing for, my support will always be there. So let's join hands and together conquer September 24 and January 2025. I hope this video definitely will help many guys, many people who were having this problem with the September 24 attempt, that what we should be doing. So just analyze and take your correct decision, right? So see you guys. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.